Hi friends, let's make a one layer card. So we're starting with a die cut here. So this is a fern and I've die cut this from masking paper. So it's repositionable tacky paper. And I'm pulling that up from my cutting mat, that's the negative. And this now carefully is the positive. So we're going to use both of those pieces on the project. So I've got a 5 by 7 inch card blank and it's flat. Now I'm just popping a strip of low tack masking tape down just so I can visualise my working area and make sure that I don't stray over the rest of the card. Let's give this negative a press down now onto the card. Make sure all those little areas are pressed down and let's ink. So this is eucalyptus. Beautiful green colour, it's card 9 ink, and I'm just going to blend with my brush through the stem, if you like, and the centre of the fern. Here we go. And then just being careful that any little bits that come up like that, just give those a little press back down again. Onto a nice yellow colour. This is juicy pineapple. And we're going to put this in from the edges, work inwards now, again, just so we can hopefully keep those little bits, those little parts of the mask in place. And give that a nice blend now in towards and over the eucalyptus ink colour. Again, just press those little bits down if they pop up, it's not a problem. A little bit more ink if you want to. You can go as deep as you like with that colour. That's good for me though. And then gently we're going to peel away the negative mask and store that on copy paper ready for another project. And replace that now with the positive. So we're going to line that up. Hasn't got to be absolutely spot on. There we are, and again plenty of little presses just to secure that over the image. Let's stencil now. So this one is called Checked or Checkered. It's Lisa Horton, and we're going to use some blue ink now. This one's Surf Up, and I'm working up through the centre of the leaf first of all, and then working outwards. What I want is the darkest area through the centre, and then as I work outwards you can see it gets lighter. Add a little bit more there without re-inking the brush, just so we get a lovely diffuse look. That's enough. Here we go, and again carefully remove the mask, store that for another project, and let's get it in the stamp platform now with sentiment. So this is nice. We're going to go with the large happy, position that onto my card, and then the little small birthday. This is a really nice set, this one. There we go, try and get that straight-ish and pick it up onto the platform door. Here we go. So I'm going to use VersaFine black ink to give that a really good ink up, and I'm going to make sure that the card is in the corner there in case I have to give it another layer. There we go. So yeah, I'm going to give it another, just to get it really nice and black, and you'll see the last thing I do is make sure the card is back in the corner before I press, so we don't get any shadows. Here we go. So we're about a little bit of bling now. So some coloured gems, got a couple of different colours and a couple of sizes, just to mix it up a little bit, make it a little bit more interesting. And we're going to position those just nice and sort of random, really. I know there's supposed to be a rule of how many, whether it's supposed to be even numbers or odd numbers. I never remember the rule. I just go with what I quite like the look of, and I'm happy with that. Let's take that tape away now and fold the card in half, and there we have our card. Thank you very much for watching.